Hi, Richard. How you doing? I'm so good. All right, what you got? Okay, so you've got natural choice, tuna flavor, 6 cans, so good. Oh, I love this toy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Richard, this is Colonel Crosspaws. He was last seen walking in his front yard on Gardner, and now he's gone. Have you seen him? Well, how about Pauline? She's a gorgeous Cocker Spaniel that's been missing for, about 2 hours. Anyway, okay, your total's $14.34. Paper or plastic? Paper or plastic, plastic or paper, what does it matter? I don't know. Richard, I am really good at writing these songs. I was on my way to Trader Joe's the other day, and I came up with this one. I'm gonna get some chocolate-covered pretzel sticks, and maybe some organic dates. Wow, Richard. Richard, did you just hear that? Oh my God, Richard. I think I could have an entire reality show based on my songs. Seriously, I could be the host. I'll probably have a camera crew the next time you come into the store. Richard.
Huh?
Okay, listen, don't worry. Okay? Even though I have a camera crew, don't worry. I haven't changed. You and I are still the same. We are the same, Richard. Okay, well, have a great afternoon.
Okay.
Thank you for shopping at the parking lot. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye, Richard. Ba-ba